You would not believe the lengths that legislatures go to smuggle the Ten Commandments into schools. And most recently, an Ohio bill shows just how creative they're trying to get. Because this Senate Bill 34, which we are calling on you to help end by calling up your representative if you live in Ohio, is titled the Historical Education Displays Act, which seems to innocuously want to encourage a display of founding documents. But if you actually read the bill, listed above the Bill of Rights, or the US Constitution, or even the Articles of Confederation, are the Ten Commandments, which by no legal or historical definition is a founding document. And they are using a well-worn tactic from this long-held scheme to get Ten Commandments into states of requiring them not to be state-funded, right? Because then they aren't accountable for the funds, but to accept donated funds or displays. But the choice of what to do with these donations or whether to accept them is illusory, right? It doesn't actually exist because once they get donations, they will face extreme pressure to accept and use them. And that is why FFRF Action Fund, through its action alert, is cautioning that SB 34 could lead to the Ten Commandment monuments on school grounds, despite long-standing Supreme Court precedent holding the standalone Ten Commandments displays on public property violate the Establishment Clause. This is just another development in a long scheme to get the Ten Commandments and thus religion into public schools, despite the long-held constitutional principle of separation of church and state. And so if you don't fall for it, just like we don't, then check out our website for the action alert on how you can help prevent this, especially if you are in Ohio and want to protect the separation of church and the Ohioan state.